Hi, this is Mark Ermatinger from the Advanced Manufacturing Expo. Appreciate you exhibiting this year. We're going to do a little video and show you how to go through the lead generation software that we wrote for this year in 2018. So that way you've got some documentation on how to do it. So the first thing we're going to do on the phone is we're going to install a QR code reader. If you have an Apple phone that's 11.0 or better, it comes on the phone, so you're good there. You don't need a QR reader installed from the store. But if anything less than that, if it's a 10 or less, you got to go to the store and get a QR reader. If you got an Android, you're going to have to download something. It could be anything, Lightning QR code or any other QR code reader. You'll be able to get it. But you need to have that on, so do that ahead of time before you get to the show. Or you can do it when we get there, but it's easier to have that ahead of time. So we'll go through, we'll show you what to do here. So the first thing is, after you have your QR code, is we're going to give you this sheet right here that's going to talk about what needs to be done. Obviously, we just talked about the QR code and the fact that the Apple phone 11 or greater has it on there, but 10 or less, you're going to have to download it. And then the Android, you can go get a code reader. After that, when you get to the show and register and get your badge, then we're going to give you this sheet, and it's going to have your booth number on there, and that's going to be embedded in this QR code. So we're going to scan that with your phone, and that's going to tie your phone to the show. So if you're doing Novi and Grand Rapids, you're going to get a different sheet for each show. And if you grab the wrong sheet, it's going to tell you if that show is open or closed, so don't worry about that. But you scan that, and then from there, and I'm going to do that here in practice on my phone, so bear with me here a minute. We'll get this unlocked, and we're going to go to my QR code, which I have my Lightning reader here, and I got it. And I'm going to go ahead and open the link here. Okay, successful. So I just registered my booth that I'm going to work at 0001 Industrial Control. And I can log in to view the leads. Obviously, I don't have any at this point. So what I'm going to do is just back out of here and go back to my QR code reader a minute. And now I'm going to scan a badge here, so let's grab a badge. Cover this up here a minute so I don't get the wrong one. And I just scan that badge, open the link, and it jumped to the website, and it showed me that the badge, which is Carl Ermatinger, my brother, and it's got industrial control scanned, and it's got his name, and I can enter in a note right here and put in there presidential. Carl wants to buy a lot. Okay, and I'm good to go here. I'm going to submit that, and it shows me that that lead was saved for that person that I scanned. I can go ahead and click on here to view the leads. We'll try that. And I am on the self-service here. The other thing we can do is we can go online and look at that. So let's go online since it's a little faster. So on your sheet, we've got an address that you got to go to. I'm going to open up a new window from scratch. And on the bottom of this sheet, we're going to go to the website. So that website is app.ame. .show, and then it's going to be a /leads /login, and hit enter, and now it comes up to the website, and it's asking us to log in with our account number. So we're going to go in and log in off the sheet here. So in this case, it's industrial. Let's get this here, set this down, industrial, and then I've got a .hf8d as my login, and my password I'm going to throw in that, EPZNR, log in, And now I can get into the app.show or app.ame.show, and I can see that I've got a lead there for all my leads for industrial control. I've got one lead there. I can click on it, and then I can see my note. So from that point on, I will build up a list of all my leads, and after the show is done, I'm going to want to come in here and then email off the side here. I want to email those leads back to myself and grab those. So I'm going to send them to my email address here, and we'll just go and send that. We'll click OK, and then that's a CSV file that you can pull up in Excel, and then you'll have all your leads. So the email's been sent to Market Industrial Control, and you're all set to go. So that is a demonstration on how to set up the lead. By all means, give me a call and we'll help you out with that. You can call the office number, but the best thing to do would be, we're going to post this on YouTube under industrialcontrol.com's YouTube site, and you can just go right there and take a look at this video, or any of your staff to do that. So hopefully this helps. If you got any questions, give me a call, Mark Ermatinger, 616-836-5536. Thank you.